Hello friend, welcome back. Today I will show you about that Medo.dev, that is all in one of the AI tools, and throughout this tool when you add some of the simple prompt code, throughout this prompt code you can generate entire your application. You have to go to that over their official website as a Medo.dev, simply sign up it, and here also they have some of the free account credit you will be get, like when you create one of the new sign up you will get it as a 400 credits in here. And if you could notice into their website, they have the multiple already ready-made template is also in here. Some of the e-commerce related template, you will be able to get it all in everything that will be actually generated. So here, a lot of the e-commerce related template, the different type of tools related template, even though you can also generate that very interactive game throughout that prompt. And here they have already ready-made some of the template is in here. You can also check it for the researcher, that is a researcher web application, that is a productivity web application. They have the website, you can also generate that website, you can generate that education related LMS, you can also able to generate it. Each and everything you can actually generate throughout simply prompt code. And here actually if you also go to that details page or the visit their website, like here if you go to the details, and here that will be give you total instructions how that things actually happen, like that is will be look like how to that education related website application, and you can see that will be generated this type of one of the interactive web application. So now in this video I want to share that things with you. Here if you want to add some the vibe coding project, you can also able to generate it. Let's do that work. For doing this, first of all, I want to go to their site. That here you can also attach that images. If you want, you can add that different type of documents or PDF, TXT file up to the 500 megabyte. And whatever the things you will be added in here as a build one e-commerce website. So if you want, if you just put some of the simple prompt code, there are also another option for the prompt optimization. So here when you click it, that will be AI will be generated your simple prompt to the in details prompt. Here you can see it's already generating in details all that your prompt is in here, which is very incredible. One of the functionality here that will be make your, you can see every process, everything one by one is created. So you can also create that your prompt optimizations from here like that way, rather than right now I want to simply use my personal one. Okay, here I have already created optimize it. Like I want to use this type of one of the prompt. Okay, and that is the prompt. You will also get it in your video descriptions here. And now I want to create one of the SaaS business with the Slack, and then that will be the Silicon Valley startup style. I want to use it. And header, what type of header I want to add here, I want to simply pass it what type of features I want to add, the testimonial, the different type of models. Okay, so you will get this prompt code in your video description. And here actually, as I told you multiple times, when you put appropriate on in detail one of the prompt, your application will be much more interactive. So here I put this prompt. Let's check this out, what type of applications now that will be built. Like here I want to make it as a send, and now that is thinking. And as I told you, by default you will get that as a 400 credit, and throughout every credit here you can see it's already generated total full structure. Here you don't need to do anything. You already segmented every functionality, the design style, the SEO optimization, technical requirement, the interactive features, the FAQs, footer section in here, what type of things that will be do. He already created total requirement for a specific whatever the prompt code you have added. By this that will be generated. And now everything is ready. Here only you have to do all set. Your requirement document has been generated. So that is your requirement document. If you want to also download it, you can download it and you can use the same concept, that means same requirement to different type of vibe coding platform. That is very interactive, one of the things which I do personally like it so much. And now I want to generate this app. When you make it as a generate this app is began to generate it. And not only that, when that will be successfully generated, if you want to change anything throughout that chatbot, you can also able to change it. So now it may take little time. Now that is working for generate your total application throughout your prompt. So here better when that will be done, I will come back again. And here if you notice, that will be work like that. You can see it's already created one of the editor in here. So all that your file structure is still now working. But here it will be give you this type of one of that in details interface. So that will be one of the editor type things, all that your resources, whatever the resources he actually installed, whatever the component he will be installed, everything you will be get in particular that position. Okay, which is very interactive things. If you want to change anything, you can also able to change it. So it may take little time, as I told you, for building that our total application. Right now it's automatically added one by one all that our files. And here if you now want to change anything, you can also able to change it. All that your resources you will be also able to get it from here. So now I want to wait a little bit, and when that will be done, I want to first of all check out what type of view actually is created. Then I will come back again. Here you can see, friend, our total entire application is totally ready and is very clean and very good looking. One of the web application is successfully created. Not only that, our front end here that is also created, our database related backend, everything actually created. I want to check it, and only it's burned. You can see only that is the now before that was 400. Now we burn it as a 33 credit only, and by this here it's successfully created. So here if you want to go to that our preview button, like if you go to that our preview here, now that should be also displaying here, and you can see everything is successfully created. They have the product demo video, so here you can actually add some of the videos in particular that position. They have the everything you need to success, all that our details information is in here. Okay, if you want to edit it, you can also able to edit it, but right now that is successfully created. It's successfully created that our testimonial is also in here. The carousel, different type of multiple testimonial is also visible, which is really great. And the pricing section, that is the starter plan, the professional plan, and the enterprise plan, the yearly and monthly, that is also successfully visible. They have the CTO version, they have your team related every information, the project management, software, sales, marketing, campaign in detail. You can see different type of tools is in here. View our integration tools trusted by the industry lead. Everything is successfully created, and there is a FAQs also is in here. FAQ is successfully created, which is really great looking, and that is our footer. Right, so everything is created. Not only that, if you go and here, if you click it, that is also successfully working. Our menu is successfully working is in here. Go to that our login page. Our login page is ready. Go to that our sign up page. That is a sign up page is also ready. Like here, if you put some of the example code, I make it as a Kazi. Okay, and I just put email as a Kazi. I put it as a Aryan. Okay, Kazi Aryan at ai@gmail.com. And I just put it some of the password in here. Okay, I put some of the password, and now I make it as a create an account. Okay, simply please hit wait, and you can see it successfully display as a account created successfully, which is really great. And it's also now successfully able to log in our backend. As I told you, that is also created your backend, and at a time that will be created your front end. So now user related, all that our information is in here. Active task, how many there have, the team, the total price, sign up, the logout functionality. If you click as a logout, you are successfully able to log out. Right, so here is very interactive, one of the in detail full stack applications. If you want to develop it, you can develop it is in here. As I told you, that will be as an all-in-one AI tools platform. Here throughout this you can generate your total applications from here by using simple prompt code. And not only that, if you want to publish it, you can also able to publish it in your own custom domain, and that is everything will be in here. If you want to edit it, if you can actually edit it, and this app related everything. If you want to switch it to the mobile view, that will be your mobile view, and into this mobile view area here you can see that is also very much responsive. Okay, here you can see it's also very much responsive. Our menus, logging, register, everything works successfully. And that have the edit functionality. If you want to edit something, you can also able to edit it. Like here, if you go to that or switch to the our mobile mode, you can go to the mobile mode, and here that is our application. So if you want to change anything in particular that positions, you can also able to change it throughout that your command prompt. Okay, so into this command prompt area here, you have to add it. Like I want to change it like our, that is the everything success, and here you can see you can also customize it by here by clicking this in here, which is very interactive, and I do like it personally so much. That is very exceptional. One of the things I have actually found it for in Medo.dev. Like here, if you want to change that our text color, you can change that text color as per your demand. Here if you change it instantly, that will be changed. And if you want to do anything, like here if you want to increase it our font size, you can also able to increase it. Like I make it as a 24, and now it's become updated as a 24. If you want to put some of the link is in here, you can also assign the link. Whatever the link that will be added, that will be inserted automatically in particular that position, which is very advanced level things, and I do personally like it so much. Every step when you select it, a specific this div area, if you want to change that div color to the different type of color, automatically that will be updated. Right here you can see here it's automatically updated. Here if you select it, automatically that will be also updated in here, and after that when you publish it, that will be published. So it's very interactive things, or not only directly you can change it here. If you want to change it throughout that some of the chat, you can also able to change it throughout that chat. Okay, so it's just very good part for building this application, and everything you will also get it in here. And now if you go to that our app, in particular that area, there is a documentation, there is a code, and if you go to that our code functionality, that will be your entire total application code. And you can see there is a super base is working behind this. As I told you, that will be also created your database functionality, database related all that field, what type of table that will be generated, everything is in here. You don't need to do anything. If you want to customize it, that is our SRC. Into this SRC, that is all that our hook is created for database related, everything is created. Components, that is a common component, landing component. You can see they have the different type of component as a feature section, hero section. Like if you go to the our hero section, and into this hero section, I use it as a transform your business with the Cloudflow. So if you want to change it name as a Cloudflow to the different type of name, you can also able to change it here. If you go and you can see that is the Cloudflow. Okay, so every code based informations you can also able to get it from here. And also if you want to download this our total entire code, you can also download it, and you can run this total application in your system, which is very incredible. One of the support actually throughout only 33 credit you build entire your application, and you can see is very interactive and good looking. One of the application is successfully created. So how you can build it, how can use that that is a Medo.dev, how can access your all that source code, how can download this source code. They have the multiple things, you can organize it. If you want to publish it, you can also able to publish your entire total application. You can also do this job. Okay, so here that's how you can develop that app very fine easily. And you can see that is your dev mode. If you have published it, then automatically that will be in your publishers area. So right now for education purpose, I am just simply developing this application, and this application is in here. Okay, I hope you do like it so much. So if you like that type of one of the AI related programming, simply make sure you subscribe my channel. I always try to publish some of the this type of related videos, and also I create project based tutorial. I hope that will be helpful for you a lot. So thanks for watching, and happy coding.